close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll have.
Hello guys, welcome to the new vlog. How are you all? Today is Ram Navami, so very happy Ram Navami to you all. So I have changed my channel name, that is White Tribe with Supriya. You must all have observed it, and if you haven't, I will tell you. I have changed the name from Srinath Vlog to White Tribe with Supriya. So welcome to my channel with new name, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also like my videos and do share your comments, reviews or feedback on my videos. I will be very much happy to know them all. So please do like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to comment. So let's start for the vlog. So I want to tell you about money plant. I had a money plant at home. I have a money plant at home, and it is growing from one direction, and I wanted to grow it bushy, means bushy. So I wanted to grow it in bushy. So what I did, I took a cutting from the growing side, and that cutting had 3 leaves and one new baby leaf that was about to occur. At that time I took the cutting, and also it had 2 roots. So I placed the cutting in the water. I thought it will grow in the water. So for 10 to 12 days I changed the water, I changed the container, but the plant, the cutting didn't work over there. The leaves started getting bending, the leaves started getting brown. Also the edge of the plant, or where I was expecting the roots to come, the roots didn't came there. Instead it started getting rot over there. So now I am like, I don't want to waste that cutting, and I want to also I want to make a new plant out of it. So now I'm again putting the cutting back to the soil before it gets too late, before the plant gets too rot and of no use. Before that I'm again putting the cutting back to the soil, and now I will observe if it grows in the soil or no, and I will get the indication if it is growing there. The baby leaf will will get open, and also the leaves will again stands instead of bending. And also for the purpose which I took the cutting was for bushy, and after taking the cutting, the plant started growing from all the sides. Let me show you. See guys, this is the money plant which I have, and it was growing, it was growing from this direction, means in a line, and I don't want it to grow in line. I want it bushy. So I took a cutting from here, and this is that cutting. I placed this cutting in water for almost 10 to 12 days. It didn't grow in the water, so I have again put back the cutting back to the soil. And see, after taking a cutting, then after taking cutting only, the plant started growing from sideways also. So here is a new leaf which is growing. Here is the another one, then here is the another one which I can show you a note. This is the another one, and this side I am rotating it, you see here. So almost it has started giving new 4 stems or branches. Once it start growing from all these 4 sides, then it will surely become bushy. And also I am sure that this also will grow, because this is still standing in the soil. This stem, this is also standing, but bent little bit, but this is standing. So I am having hope that it will grow here back to the soil. I guess this was not comfortable in the water, this cutting. So let's see. Also I would like to update you about my last second video on this channel, that is repotting croton. This is the croton which is growing very well. This croton was also, I took cutting out of the big croton plant, and I planted in this pot, this plastic pot, and it grew very well in this pot. So after I saw the signs of growth, I repotted in this planter, and now this is growing very good. If you don't water this plant now, the leaves will start bending, and once the soon you water the plant, immediately after seeing the leaves are bending, in within an hour the leaves will stand.